Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install War Thunder in your computer or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now the first thing that you want to go ahead and open up is your browser, of course, and inside you want to go ahead and search for War Thunder download. After that, you will now be prompted with this website right here, warthunder.com. Just go ahead and click on it. And inside this link, you can now go ahead and register and download the game directly from their website. But the easier way on how you could go ahead and download War Thunder in your computer is by heading over to Steam. So let's just go ahead and search Steam right here. And if you don't know what Steam is basically a video game digital distributor service, and it is completely trusted. Just go ahead and open up the Steam application right here. Go ahead and click on install Steam right beside your profile icon. And inside, you will then be able to download the Steam client. Now after installing the Steam, you will now be able to open their application right here, and inside they will go ahead and present you with their storefront. Just go ahead and search War Thunder inside right here, and then you will be able to see your preferred game. Inside, just go ahead and click on your specific game, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Play Now button. And just go ahead and click on it, and then you will be able to download and install War Thunder in your computer or laptop. If this guide has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.